Hi everyone! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Korean noodle soup called Janchi Guksu. Janchi Guksu is served with various topping and sauce on the top of the noodle. My family loves this, so we used to eat this Janchi Guksu every Sunday morning when I was in Korea. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna make the broth first. The broth is made with anchovies and kelp. This time, I'm gonna use this anchovy soup stock bag. There are anchovies in the bag. You can easily get a similar product at a Korean market. Pour 3 cups of water into a pot. Add this stock bag and boil it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and season with salt. I put in about 2 pinches. Then I'm gonna prepare toppings now. Julienne some zucchini and carrots. Then, add a pinch of salt to the egg and mix it well. Now place the pan on medium heat and cook it. Thinly slice it and set it aside. And over medium heat, stir fry zucchini and carrots with a pinch of salt. When it's done, set it aside. For the sauce, add some chopped green onions, peppers, and finely chopped garlic. Then add some soy sauce, sugar, red pepper powder, sesame oil, and sesame. Lastly, cook the noodles. Put the noodles in boiling water for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, drain them and rinse in cold water. Now, put all the toppings and noodles in a bowl. Lastly, add some seaweed and sesame. That's it! Serve with the sauce we made. Enjoy!